Welcome to the Random Trader video series 2022 and beyond. This is episode 10, where I take a random Forex trade every day and manage it into profit. No strategy, no stop loss. Let's go to the charts. In the last episode, we took a British pound Australian dollar sell trade, and let's look at the account history. Here we are, $23.56 in profit. That is where I had specifically set to take profit. It happened actually pretty shortly after taking the trade. So today we're simply going to enter another random trade. I'm going to copy my list of 28 currency pairs plus US 30, each attached with a buy or a sell. We're going to go to random.org, list randomizer, paste our list, and randomly take a trade CADJPY buy. That is our random trade for the day, CADJPY buy. Going to open the market watch here and attach CADJPY to the chart. Here it is. I'm going to drag it to the current open chart. Get rid of the market watch. We are in CADJPY. 0.1 on the lot size. I said buy. Let's click buy. That's how easy Forex trading is. We have won every trade so far. Some will say I've gotten lucky, but I'm going to show you the real power of this when the trade goes against us. I've said in the past, I'm probably looking for it to go against us by about 100 pips. I have no stop loss. At that point, I will recover it into break even or profit and move on. What's interesting about taking a random trade with no stop loss is that we're winning every time. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today. So that's got to tell you something. Sure, it's only been I believe about 6 trades. So let's take a look at CADJPY. We're in a buy trade, and I'm on the 15-minute. The 15-minute is showing that it's going up. And let's look at some of the higher time frames. 30-minute is going up. 1 hour just had a moving average cross, so it's going up. Let's look at the 4 hour. It has been trending down, but we got a very large green candle on the 4 hour. So we're probably going to do pretty well there. Let's go on down to the 5-minute and set our take profit. And remember, typically what I'm doing is I'm dragging my buy line or my sell line into take profit. But let's drag it up here and see what we would get if we topped out at the recent high. That would be about a $14.70 profit. I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there. No real reason other than I just wanted to set a take profit. If it goes into profit, it's automatic for me. I can walk away. If it goes against me, then like I've said in the past, I'll recover. And like usual, when we go into this trade, we're already $1.20 up in profit. Not a lot, but there's a huge point behind this that really I'm not even saying, and it's the fact that you don't need a complex entry strategy. People out there analyzing the market for hours at a time, days at a time, complex strategies, when really if they just entered a trade and managed it, they could be in profit. Now, I am looking for some feedback. What do you want to see me do? Now, I don't want to put any words in your head here or ideas in your head, but you could say, hey, let's go for 25 pips. Let's go for 50 pips. Let's do a certain thing on a certain pair. One thing I have the idea of, and I'm going to implement pretty soon, I am a Forex EA or expert advisor trader. I do not manually trade. This video series is a manual entry, but it's more geared towards the random concept of Forex, that you don't need a strategy, that on the other side, not being a manual trader and allowing a robot to enter your trade, hear me out here, because this is where I'm going with this. Not manually entering a trade, but allowing a robot to enter the trade, because there's no perfect, right? I'm doing it randomly and we're winning. We will get into a trade that goes against us, but my point is, let the robot, let an automated tool enter for you. So one of the things I'm planning on doing is launching some robots on this channel that will enter a random trade. I have one that's very interesting. It enters, you tell it what time, you program it, you tell it, enter a buy and a sell trade, both at the same time every day, and then manage each trade into profitability. It will do that with a trailing stop, with a break even. And although it does set itself, the robot itself sets a stop loss, it sets a huge one, like 800 pips away from where it's at. So we'll talk more about what it does when I do that, but that'll be kind of interesting. I'll set it on, we'll go ahead and just pick like a random chart, maybe use the randomizer, pick a random currency pair, drop the robot on there, tell it when to enter a trade. We can even randomize that time if you want to, and we'll let it manage. And the other side of it, we will also watch it and help it manage. That's really the idea behind automated robot trading, and really the idea behind my copy trade service. I have a really effective high win rate robot that I can send those trades directly to your account. And what's the key? Not just setting it at some low conservative lot size and hoping that it works itself out, but managing it on the other side if you need to. I've noticed about 97% of the time, my automated system goes into a trade, gets a little bit of drawdown, goes into profit, takes the next trade. Once in a while, you'll get a trade that starts to go against you. That's where management techniques come in. You mitigate, you stop the robot from doing what it's doing. You mitigate, you trade out of that drawdown trade. You turn it back on, you let it go. Probably out of 50 trades, I might have to manage one from a recovery from drawdown standpoint. So here we are, $1.89 in profit. CADJPY, buy, absolute random trade. I set the take profit at just, I think, a little over $14. Again, let me know in the comments. You want me to do something different? And I'm definitely going to start implementing some random robots that will just take a random trade and then we'll manage it from there. Just like we're doing with taking this random manual trade. Again, in the end, the goal to show you how to manage in and out of good and bad trades. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode where we will either have taken profit or begin managing that trade into profit. That's it. I'll see you then.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.